Most people waste hours every day doing things that AI can finish in minutes. In this video, I'll show you one free AI tool that can save you time instantly, even if you've never used AI before. Welcome to AI Simplified, where AI tools are explained in the easiest way possible. If you want to work smarter, not harder, this video is for you. The AI tool I'm talking about is ChatGPT, and beginners often don't realize how powerful it is. Most people use ChatGPT only to ask random questions, but that's a mistake. Let me show you how beginners should actually use it. If you struggle with writing emails, assignments, or ideas, just type what you need. For example, write a professional email asking for a meeting. In seconds, ChatGPT gives you a clean, professional answer. You can use ChatGPT as a personal teacher. For example, explain artificial intelligence like I'm 10 years old. This is perfect for beginners who feel confused by complex topics. ChatGPT can also plan your day. For example, create a simple daily routine to be more productive. Instead of thinking for hours, AI does it for you. Here's a pro tip. Always tell ChatGPT who you want it to act as. For example, act as a productivity expert and give me advice. This gives you much better answers. This is just one free AI tool beginners should start with. If you want more simple AI tips like this, subscribe to AI Simplified. AI doesn't have to be complicated. It just needs to be explained simply.